What's up guys, it's ALLDAYANTHONY, and in today's video, I'm crashing a car meet. Let's go.
I never let nobody with no motion try to hold me.
Is anybody here?
Hold me the way I'm sitting nowadays. I'm money stacked 9 ways. I'm sipping on a latte. Why they all call me bougie, bougie, bougie? I don't want no prayers from no haters. Probably waiting on my downfall. Mad that we made it and my wins on time. Why you trying to delay it? And they say it's authentic, but they wins look plated.
Alright guys, so I've never done this before, but I was out on a drive filming an entirely different video than what I'm filming right now, and I was cruising down this road and I looked over and I saw a bunch of cars collectively in this parking lot, and I'm like, that's a car meet right there, and that looks interesting. And I saw a couple Hondas, and there's a Honda right there. I have a camera here, and I'm like, what if I just showed up and walked around, right? There's an Evo, there's actually a bunch of good stuff. I gotta flip around and do this. Again, I've never done a video like this before, mainly because I don't know, I've just never really thought about it until just now. So just as a kind of a heads up, here in Idaho, we've had like the warmest winter of all time. Just today, I think like the temps are gonna hit like 60 degrees, and it is February, where normally it is 20 degrees. So pretty much everybody and their neighbors are out just, you know, enjoying the weather. And I'm like, you know, I haven't done a car meet. I'm not really dressed for a car meet. I don't really have anything planned, but I'm like, what if I just go and check it out and see what happens? The Civic's washed, so it's kind of clean, and we'll just kind of go from there. Again, I have no idea what this is. I'm just gonna get out, walk around, and check out some of these cars. Got a bunch of different stuff. So I think I'm gonna switch to this cam so I'm not on the head cam so it's not weird. So let's do that. All right, I got some kids here. I'm gonna put my keys in my mouth. I need to grab my phone, my wallet. I don't got no money. Nobody's gonna steal anything from me. All right. Again, completely impromptu. I'm the only person with a camera here. Kind of nervous. I haven't like gone outside in a while. I haven't seen anybody in a while. So we got some bikes here. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. All right. Civic Type R. I know this guy. He was itching for a meet. Car's all dirty. Wasn't even prepared. But no, it looks good. Subi gang, what's going on? How's it going, guys? Happy Sunday, right? Nice day, right? Absolutely. Again, I don't know any of these people. Not planned. But that's okay, right? Maybe some of the best stuff happens when it's not planned. So it's funny. I was driving by filming a completely unrelated video, and I see like this, like, you know, congregation of cars, and I'm like, you know what? I never do this shit, but I got a camera, and I'm like, I'm just gonna turn on the camera and go and crash an impromptu car meet. So that's what I'm doing. So what do you bring? Bike? Oh, nice. Okay, sweet. Well, do people know it's one of the fastest things in this parking lot? Dude, I think you'll do it. What was the fastest? Like,
last I've had it's 11.1.
11.1. Okay, yeah. Anyways, P Coats of Boise. If anybody needs any powder coating work done, that's the guy. You still have your hearing? Nice. Okay, pretty nice. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Yeah, I bet it does, dude. That's sick.
I play 20 hertz.
That's sick, dude. That's awesome, man. I just don't see too many sound builds nowadays. You know what I mean? You go to a meet, it's not really a thing anymore.
It's all wood roof.
Is it really?
Yeah, look underneath. You can see it.
No way.
Collaboration.
Yeah.
And, you know, like a shadow box.
Mm-hmm.
So if you look up really high, you can see our buddy of ours, Bear, that passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
Big bass head guy. These are his old 15s.
So what do you do? Do you just like silicone this in, or like what do you do?
For like this stuff that does windshields.
Okay.
I did the same thing here. I sealed it off. This is all sealed off, and then I did a wood framing style, and then I put the wood in. It actually came out really good.
Thank you. I appreciate you showing me, man.
YouTube channel, or what do you?
Yeah, I make YouTube channel, like, you know, YouTube stuff, Civic stuff sometimes, like Honda stuff every once in a while. Nah, that's all good though. No, I get it, dude. It's all good.
$400.
That's that's what's up. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Nice, dude. So we don't really have a ton of, JDM Evos in town, not really. I mean, there's a couple 5s in Mountain Home, which is kind of like an Air Force base, and they'll import them in, and then a lot of the Air Force guys will have them. But no, this is sick. You import it yourself, or you get it?
I bought it from something here in town.
Was it the guy over in Mountain Home?
Nope,
Nampa? Okay, nice. Sick, dude.
Bucket list
it
right
was
here.
imported in January though, so it's
Was it?
very long.
Oh, it looks
Yeah,
clean.
The radio's
Yeah.
It's like one of my little bucket list cars that I've always wanted.
No, dude, I agree 100%. All right, so we're gonna keep this going. We're gonna keep the power steering pumps going. Is it? What I'm gonna probably do is I'm gonna have to make some type of like hype reel here in like a minute and just go like super hard with some kind of edit. All right, 650 ZX6, matching ZX6s. This guy's got money, right? You know he's got money, right? And you brought your car, but you didn't wash it.
I did like a quick wash.
Yeah.
I've actually dried off.
Look at the helmet. He's got the helmet. Got the J's on too. Ultimate riding shoe, right? Eventually, I'm gonna have to grab one. Yeah, dude, the black's sexy too. This is yours? Man, you're also rich, man. The two richest guys in the parking lot. That's sick. Thanks, man. Thanks for letting me see it. All right, so SRT4s, MV Agusta. You don't really see a lot of MV Agustas around, not here in Idaho at least. How do you define this type of meet? Because sometimes this will happen where you'll see these types of meets over in like a Dutch Bros parking lot or whatever. And this is like the first time, again, that I'm kind of doing one of these. And I think ultimately it's just I usually don't have time. Like when the Honda Day meets and stuff happen, I planned it out. I'm like, okay, I'm going to pack this many batteries, do this many things. But yeah, this is EJ8 Jesse. All right, there's the Instagram. Okay, so we're on the Acura, the Fat Fives. Gotcha. ST gang. See, you guys, these guys are having the most fun out of anybody here. Let me get copyright. What is this? Is just somebody brought a whole tray of, that is no bake cookies. What is going on? This is what I'm missing out on, which honestly, like, if I would know that there was more cookies and stuff like that and delicious treats at these type of meets, I would be going to them all the time. All right. Okay, making our ways around here. So this is kind of like my boy Steve's. You know, Steve over at Garage Slick, he has something pretty similar. So Steve, if you're watching this, you know, this kind of looks like your car. Then we have a completely stock. Actually, that's a lie. The wheels are painted black. Honda Accord here. Leather interior. A couple cans of Monster. No, you're good. Sorry. Yeah. Am I in the way?
Did you get my car?
Where's your car?
BMW right there?
I did. Those who brought the treats?
Those are Rose's, wherever she went.
I didn't know that they serve like cookies and stuff at these types of meets.
I didn't know either. I kind of just happened and it just managed to be on my car.
350Z. Couple rock chips there on the front. But outside of that though, we do have some Instagram plugs here. And that's okay. So here we go. We got Pink Sting 03. Ideally, everybody watching this video is going to follow everybody that I'm highlighting here. Seat covers, and they're bedazzled. Pink wrap. All right. Okay. I knew that sounded like an Evo. What do we have back here? Okay, this. I think these are new. And I think if that's his, he's kind of hanging out in the chair, unless he's with the audio stuff. That's cool. Look at that. There's a lot going on back there, huh?
Yeah, there is.
like 1 billion watts of fury, right?
19,000 out of it.
19,000, holy smokes, that's crazy, man. All right, we're gonna go back over here. We've got a couple cars on this side that I've been wanting to kind of check out. So for reference, man, this is how big Civics were at one time, or these are how big Civics were at one time. It's amazing how far we've come. Like, look at this. This is, if I could measure this, you guys would see how small these cars actually were.
You got any questions about it?
Do I have questions? Yeah, is this yours? That's yours? Nice. Did you like Honda stuff?
Yeah, that's my first Honda.
It's your first Honda? Dude, so guess what? 90s Hondas, late 80s Hondas, best Hondas ever.
Yeah, it's at like 289,000.
Does it really?
283.
Let's open it up. Let's check it out. Dude, you got the J's in the back.
292,883.
292,883. They just don't make them like this anymore.
Got a 1.7.
Nice, dude. That's sick. That's awesome. It's the best place to start, man, are Honda Civics. And it's a manual too, so that's even better. All right, we're gonna keep kind of cruising. So we got a Lancer here, Motegi's, and then we've got some of the ST gang over here. So this is an RS, and I love the RSs. I think that they're great. I hope that people take care of them, what's left of them, that is. Okay, so ST, we got a WRX wagon, Hawkeye. Yeah, not a lot of these. Leather interior, no way, and leather interior and a manual. I don't think people realize that this is actually a pretty, this is a good package. The Euro guys are over here, right? This is kind of where the Euro guys are hanging? More or less, okay.
Nope, Japanese.
Trying to get, what? There's not one Japanese thing inside over here.
It's a German.
Oh, that's Japanese, definitely. But this is the, German European side is over here. Sweet, man. It is like video, like vlogging stuff. You know, like YouTube every once in a while. Get the skate park. Then we got the Caliber over here. You don't really see a ton of the Calibers around. Headlights are clean. Nice. WRX? Yeah. Okay. BMW we saw earlier. Let the hype reel commence.
Bring it back. Bring it. Keep it back. Look at all this. Bring it back. Bring it. Keep it back. Look at all this. Bring it.
Yeah, it's just all day. You can type all day, ALL, one right there. Cool. Well, thanks, man. Appreciate it, dude. Nice. Oh, that's good. That's great. Honestly, this has been really fun. I've actually talked to quite a few different people off camera, just about their cars and stuff like that. And I think one of the best things about like this kind of, impromptu car meet is just everybody loves their cars. Everybody loves cars, and they all kind of want to get together and check things out. Kind of create the culture and whatnot. And so I think that's what something about good weather brings, right? It makes you want to get out, drive your car, do fun stuff. And so anyways, the Civic over there obviously has potential. Again, just cleaned up a little bit. But yeah, it's largely Subaru territory here in Idaho, so a ton of people have Subis. STs are way more prominent here at the meets than I thought they were, and so different strokes, different folks. And I think that maybe the Civic here, an EF Civic, that would be like a really fun, like a quick build, right? Like how cool could you make an EF Civic from 1990? But yeah, just kind of funny, right? Again, I wasn't really planning on coming here, and I'm kind of glad I did. Everybody seems to be really cool, and well, to be honest, I don't really know what to do with myself. I kind of talked to everybody, and you kind of, I think the point of the meets here, you just kind of trickle out and you leave as you feel the need to. I just don't really know when that actually is. So let's get a quick little thumbnail photo, and let's get out of here, and I'll see you guys back on the road. Funny enough, the Civic wasn't all that popular. Oh, what did I get? Oh man, that's nice. I got a Valentine's. That's what it is. It's like, maybe it's a that makes so much freaking sense now. It was a Valentine's Day car meet. It wasn't just Valentine's Day was yesterday, so I just didn't really think about it, but it makes sense that they had it today instead. So they were giving out Valentine's candy, and that's, oh, Anthony. Sometimes, you know, I just wonder about myself. That's why they had the treats. That's why there was cookies. I've been here for too long, and it's time to go. Oh, I locked my own car. I can't even. But honestly, that was a good time. I would totally 100% randomly crash a car meet any day. You know, while people are probably watching this YouTube video, you know, you've been watching my channel for a while, you're subscribed or whatever, most people locally have no idea who I am, if I make YouTube videos. It's not as common here in Idaho either, right, just to make YouTube videos. So like, there's not many people that do it, so you don't really expect it, and you also don't really go to look for it either. But yeah, so it's kind of cool to get out into the local community that's not a Honda Day Boise show and go and do something. Should put myself out there more often, right? Go out, show up, take some cool videos and whatnot, and I think they'd appreciate it. So if you were at this meet and you're seeing the video now, hopefully you liked it, and hopefully I was able to get a you know, a video of your car or something. Yeah, well, I guess we'll have to see you guys in another car meet soon. So anyways, as always, if you guys love the videos, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more Honda content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's ALLDAYANTHONY. Peace.